Probably everyone knows that there is such a very well-known authoritative digital chat insider who was the first to accurately report the characteristics and release dates of such smartphones as Redmi K50 and Xiaomi 12. Therefore, this person can be trusted. And today, he surprised numerous users of wearable electronics. He said that the first smartphone with the fastest charging in the world will appear very soon, namely on February 8 or 9 this year in China. As we remember, at the beginning of January 2023, Realme introduced 240W fast charging technology. And that's not all. At the same time, the company announced that the Realme GT Neo5 smartphone supporting this technology will be released in February. This will be the first in-world smartphone with crazy fast charging. So if you look at the photo of this box, you can see that the new Realme charger is about the same size as its predecessor. Despite a significant increase in power, it is stated that with its help a 4500 mAh battery can be charged from 0 to 100% in just 9 minutes. Also, the new technology has several levels of protection, including protection against overheating, short circuit, voltage surges, and so on. It should also be noted that the Realme GT Neo5 smartphone received excellent technical characteristics. So its main features are excellent 6.74-inch display with a refresh rate of 144 Hz, a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 main camera, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of its flash memory, an Android 13 operating system with a Realme UI 4.0 shell from boxes and more. The first thing to note is that the Realme GT Neo5 series includes two models, of which the model called RMX3708 supports 240-watt charging and is equipped with a 4600 mAh battery. At the same time, the second RMX3706 model is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery and supports fast charging already at 150 watts. The Realme GT Neo5 smartphone will receive an excellent 6.74-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2772 by 1240 pixels and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. It is also worth noting that the screen supports PWM at a frequency of 2160 Hz. The materials of the new generation of the display are greatly optimized in terms of maximum brightness, contrast, color accuracy, displaying a wider color gamut, faster response time and, last but not least, power consumption. The smartphone will receive a triple main camera. The main sensor installed a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 image sensor with optical image stabilization. The sensor is capable of taking 30 shots per second at a full 50 megapixels resolution. There is also advanced 2x2 OCL autofocus technology and support for RAW10 video recording. Auxiliary sensors stand out: an 8 megapixels f2, 2 wide-angle lens and a 2 megapixels Omnivision OV02B10 f2, 4 macro lens. Therefore, we will get a very interesting gadget in terms of photo and video capabilities. The front camera was decided to be set to 16 megapixels. The smartphone comes with a single chip system from Qualcomm, namely Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. According to Qualcomm, the Plus version provides 10% higher performance of processor cores, 10% higher graphics clock speed and, most importantly, consumes 15% less power, giving you nearly an hour of extra time on a single charge when playing game or browsing social media. In benchmarks, the device produces excellent numbers for its class. And 22987,000 points. The operating system is Android 13 with Realme UI 4.0 interface. The main features of the interface are design and visual changes, wallpaper themes, camera UI changes, flexible Windows 2.0, Android 12 privacy features. Also, Realme has included a new smooth engine to help with performance optimization. Realme claims that it has now redesigned the AI engine to make better use of the CPU and GPU through automatic resource management. Ultimately, this should lead to better performance and even longer battery life. Supported by Dolby Atmos is a surround sound technology. It extends the capabilities of existing surround sound systems by adding height channels, allowing sounds to be interpreted as three-dimensional objects. The phone will receive up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of its flash memory. I remind you that this modification adds a non-volatile NAND buffer needed to increase the write speed, as well as a function that helps put the drive into sleep mode. Also, the drive can inform other components about throttling, which allows the system to optimize performance when overheating.